guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we will going to unbox this one. Okay. I will show you the big box here. I got this as a gift from my husband last Christmas. I already take a peek of it, what's inside, but I didn't really wholly unpack it or unbox it. So because I wanna, save this moment so I can make a video. I told my husband, babe, I will not totally unbox it so I can make a video of it. Alright, this is a Christmas gift from my husband. So obviously I already when I removed the Christmas wrap, when I saw the brand, I already have an idea when I saw the brand. Okay, so let's start unboxing now. Okay. For sure, you guys already has idea to what's inside of this box just by seeing, the brand. It's a Lenovo brand. I got really happy when when my husband, bought me this one, because my laptop right now is really old and I really need a new one for vlogging, for editing video. So I got really happy and thankful for this gift. Thank you, love. You're so thoughtful, love. Thank you for this Christmas gift. So here you go. It's okay. It's well packed, by the way. I don't know where he ordered this. I didn't ask because it's a gift. It's a Christmas gift. So it has a plastic wrap with Lenovo brand, and then this is how the box looks like. So it's Yoga Lenovo. Okay, this is how the box looks like. So another box, so let's open the box. All right. Yay! Lenovo Yoga laptop. Wow. So the color is iron gray. By the way, guys, this is merely unboxing, okay? I didn't use this yet, and I didn't really totally unbox it, so I didn't, I don't have any idea yet. So this is not a review, it's just an unboxing, just to show you what's inside the box, what's included in this box. So iron gray, it's so beautiful. The metal is really beautiful. It's so sleek. Ooh, look at that. So beautiful, right, guys? So thank you for your purchase. You are going to love this. Okay, let's put it aside. So there's like this. So this is Intel Core i7 Lenovo Yoga C940 14 inches. Okay. So it's rotating soundbar, garage pen. So it has a garage pen. Let's see. Oh, there you go. I thought it's okay, so you just have to remove it by your finger. It's not a push button. So this is the pen right here. I love the color. Iron gray, and it's not heavy and it's not light, just just right weight for me, you know. So Yoga 9 series. It's beautiful. Yoga 9 series. Intel Core i7. E-support. Okay, narrow bezels. Okay. So this is a touch screen. I love it. I love it. So what comes with it? Let's see what's in the back. So inside here you can see the manual. Here's the manual, guys. Okay. Yoga 6-940 14iiL. They have a nice packaging. I like their packaging. So maybe there's still something inside of it. Okay, no. Let's see what's inside in the other small box. Okay, so this is the cord. So I think that's it. What's inside the box? Just the cord. Let's remove this. So 2 pieces. Let's just put them together. Okay. Let's see. So this is the power button. Here is the power button. So this is where we can plug this. Okay. And this is for the headset over here. And then for the USB plug. Wow, thank you, love. I love it. Thank you. Because my other laptop, the one I'm currently using, is really old and really very slow. So thank you, love, for getting this, for buying this for me. So I think, guys, that's it. That's all what's inside the box. Thank you, and then I will just make a review next time, guys. So just stay tuned, so you'll see my review for this laptop. Thank you. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Till my next video.